I'm Eric.
And I'm Candice from Brass.
We're going to be making another drink called the Sweet and Sour Bitch. We're just in that kind of mood today. I will be using Amorada Blanco Tequila, very delicious local source tequila. I'm going to start with our old-fashioned glass. I'm going to give it a half salt lip just because I personally like the way the salt tastes with almost any tequila. This really helps the agave nature of it. We're going to add an ice cube. Candice?
Got you. We're gonna do the big cube because that's what this drink gets.
Love the Aladdin bottle they serve this in. Measure out a good ounce of that. We'll add a half ounce of our Amaretto. Dekuyper, good stuff. And Frangelico, another liqueur. Often drank by itself, but it has many uses. We're also going to take a lime or lemon and orange to really kind of maximize the flavor here. Squeeze it straight into the jar. And once again, works best with fresh, organic if you like it. But there you have it. Quick little mix. Delicious.